Okay, so I have a latch where you turn the handle and this piece on the side does not move at all, where the one on the right does. So I think it's the cable. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this drill, and I drilled that out. We're gonna remove the T-handle like that. We're gonna go ahead and take off this here, here, and here, and we should be able then to pop this whole cover right off and replace that part. Okay, so I had to drill out these pieces, bend this out temporarily to be able to remove this, and you can see this is what it looks like on the inside. This looks really nice in the middle. The cabling is satisfactory. So let's take a look, and I think what we're gonna have to do is probably tighten this side up, like loosen this 10mm bolt, pull that over, and then tighten this back down. We should be good to go. I'm gonna test it right now and see. All right, so bad news. What actually happened here is this piece is no longer connected here. It just goes through. You can see a little bit of a hole in this piece, and it usually is a square right there. That square is no longer there. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen this up still. We're gonna run that back through there, and we're gonna find some way to stop this end inside of there, and then we'll go ahead and just, you know, rivet it all back down and get this back together. Okay, so I tried a few different things. I tried putting a lead weight on here and pinching it like crazy, and it worked like for 3 or 4 times and fell off, of course, and I was worried about long-term durability with salt and water and whatever. I noticed this looks a lot like a battery terminal crimp, so I'm gonna go ahead and bust this tip off and pinch this on there to give it something to bite onto, and I think that'll be good. All right, so we're ready to start ratcheting everything back together with these rivets. You can see how pretty my work is here with my new crimped on piece. It's super tight. I'm gonna slap it back in, put that in, make these loops so they're snug, and we'll check it here in a minute, and we'll just put it all back together and be done.